Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. We have something new for Valentine's Day. This is Unearthly Cosmetics, never tried them before. It is the Valentine's Day special. Love the red packaging, but I did order this a long time ago, $100. Let's see if the value is there. So I ordered it sometime in January and it just came. And you are seeing it. So if you've seen some of these, I think they're all supposed to be the same. So, ooh, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. So it comes bubble wrap like this. I like this a lot. Look at this. Wow. So it's a mystery box. But since I've never tried the brand, I thought it would be worth the value. So it opens, I believe, like this. Hold on. It's, oh yeah, like that. Okay, so I like that. Nice box, too, that you can keep. So, ooh, Unearthly Cosmetics. And it has a styrofoam cover here. Everything is nice and protected. Oh, that's what it looks like. This is really cute. So there's 3 lippies. This is a satin liquid lip. I like the packaging. And this is in the color Dreamy. So let's see. Can I use these? Ooh, wow. What packaging? That's super cool. And then is this shade? The shade. So that's what it looks like. And I'm sure that's the shade. So, oh yeah, it's a gloss, and that is the shade. So that's really pretty. I'll probably set that aside. Let's see what else we got. Another satin liquid lip in Delight. I like this packaging. I've heard really good things. So this is Delight, which seems to be a little darker than Dreamy. Hold on. Let's compare. So this is Dreamy, and then this is Delight. So a little darker, I think, here. So yes, there's the doe foot applicator. It's a very chocolatey brown. And let's see what the last color is. I hope it's not a brown or a nude. This is Flirt. So, sounds like it would be pink. Ooh, that looks really nice. More mauve-y. I love this glitter on the top. So, yeah, that looks like my kind of color. Oh, yeah. Look at how pretty that is. And it's satin. So we'll let that dry down and see if it stays. I like that color. So that's my favorite right there. Put that to the side. And let's get into, this is the Unearthly Surrender. Yeah, glowing blush palette. Super pretty packaging. Very Valentine's Day. Do you guys have Valentine's Day plans? I don't quite yet. Look at how pretty. Wow. And it looks very pressed. So it doesn't look swatched. It looks pressed. So this is passionate, romantic, and luscious. Very pretty. Has a color saver and a mirror, which it's a usable one too. So that is very pretty. Wow, this is made in St. Cloud, Florida. So it should have been here like a lot sooner. Okay. So a blush palette. And then finally the eyeshadow palette. Look at the packaging. Super cute. And it's pressed pigment. So I like pressed pigments just because you get a lot of pow. And it's the same as the outside carton. Oh, those are super pretty. Should we swatch? Since I've never tried, I'm gonna get into it. And they're very cute names. Seductive, Bustler. Oh, Bustier. Okay. Oh, Mesmerize. Mesmerizing. I love that. Surrender, Radiant, Alluring, Generous, Intoxicating. So let me swatch like a matte. We'll do Sensual. Sensual, of course, Mesmerize. Oh, these are really nice. Look at that. And then we'll do Alluring and Chemise. It has a glitter in it, but it's a pink, pale pink. So, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Go right there. And they are pigmented. Love that. Look at that shift. And that was just like a really good swatch. I really like that. So these are like definitely my colors. I like the fact that there's some neutrals here, some pink, mauves, and some lighter tones. These are going to be really pretty, easy to use, and fun for me. Let me know what you guys think of this little mystery box. Have you tried on Unearthly Cosmetics? I'm sure a lot of you have. What do you think about these colors? I am loving this. What was it? Flirt? Let's see. It's still a little tacky, but that's definitely my color right there for sure. And I like the eyeshadow palette. So if you like this video, let me know down below in the comment section. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And of course, I will see you in the next video. Go check out the playlist and stay safe.
It's made